Next topic is a conductor and insulator. Insulators. You know very well conductors and insulators. What is a conductor? That is a conductor. It is a very simple definition. Conductor, the substance through which electric charge can easily flow. Is called conductor. That is a cannot easily flow. Electric charge cannot easily flow. Is called insulators. Okay. Conductor. That is what is a conductor? मैंने आपको अभी एक्सप्लेन करा था कि इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज कैन फ्लो इजीली आर कंडक्टर्स, बट इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज डॉट डॉट कर दिया है मैंने बेटे, इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज कैन नॉट फ्लो इजीली आर कॉल्ड इंसुलेटर्स. व्हाट आर एग्जांपल ऑफ कंडक्टर्स? मेटल्स, ह्यूमन, एसिड. एंड व्हाट इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ ग्लास? What is the example of insulators? Glass, plastic, wood. Okay, that is the example of insulator. Okay, next topic is electrostatic induction. Electrostatic induction. What is the electrostatic induction? It is a phenomena of a temporary electrification of a conductor. It is a phenomena of a electrification. It is a phenomena of a electrification of a conductor. Okay.
Please start.
Okay. What is the electrostatic induction? It is a phenomena of a temporary electrification of a conductor in which opposite charges appear at its closer end and similar charges appear at further end in the presence of a nearby charge body. कोई भी चार्ज बॉडी है तो उसका अपोजिट चार्जेस एक एंड पर होगा और सिमिलर चार्जेस एक एंड पर होगा. बट ये फिनोमेना किसका बेटे? इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन ऑफ अ कंडक्टर. इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन ऑफ अ कंडक्टर मैंने आपको पीछे भी प्रीवियस क्लासेस में आपको एक्सप्लेन करा व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन. ओके, तो इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन ऑफ अ कंडक्टर में कोई भी अपोजिट चार्जेस एक एंड पे होंगे और सिमिलर चार्जेस अदर एंड पे होंगे. ओके, दैट टॉपिक इज अ बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी. Basic properties of electric charge. That is the basic properties of electric charges. That is the three type of basic properties of electric charges. That is the three type of basic properties of electric charges. Number one is the additivity. Number two is the quantization. Number three is the conservation. That is the first is the एडिटिविटी. हम इसको ये भी कह सकते हैं एडिटिविटी. फर्स्ट इज द एडिटिविटी, सेकंड इज द क्वांटाइजेशन एंड थर्ड इज द कंजर्वेशन. ओके, फर्स्ट इज द एडिटिविटी. व्हाट इज द एडिटिविटी? इट इज मींस ऐड ऑफ अ टोटल चार्ज. मींस दैट इज द algebraic sum of a total charge is called also additivity, but at a different point inside the system, and that is the definition of additivity. The total charge of a system is the algebraic sum of all the individual charges located at different points inside the system. Okay, inside the next topic is the quantization. What is a quantization? That is a integral multiple of a total charges. Otherwise integral multiple of a basic quantum of charges. What is the basic quantum charges? That is a small e. That is a integral multiple of a basic quantum charges. Is called quantization. That is q is equal to plus minus n What is the definition of quantization? Quantization of electric charge means that the total charge of a body is always an integral multiple of a basic quantum of charge. Quantum of charge means small e, that is q is equal to plus minus ne. It is a very important part. It is a very important part of a charges. What is the quantization? That is the integral multiple of quantum charges. That is the integral multiple of quantum charges. What is the quantum charges? Small e. What is the small? What is the value of small e? That is the small e value is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay.
Start.
Next topic is the conservation. You know very well what is the conservation of energy. आपने क्लास 10 में पढ़ी थी बेटे. कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी क्या होती है? ना तो हम किसी भी एनर्जी को बेटे क्रिएटेड कर सकते हैं और ना ही हम उसको डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकते हैं. बस केवल क्या कर सकते हैं? वन पार्ट से अनदर पार्ट में ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं. इट इज सेम कंडीशन कंजर्वेशन ऑफ चार्जेस. द लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ चार्ज. नंबर 1, the total charge of an isolated system remains constant. जब हम केवल ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं तो वो कांस्टेंट ही रहेगा. नंबर 2, the electric charges can neither be created nor destroyed. Can be only transferred from one body to another. Okay.